It's now done printing, and you can see the shape. That's the top of the supports. All it is out here in the front is support material to support this section up on top. And so I'll need to let this cool down a bit before I can lift up this magnetic strip. What they call the build-tack flex plate system, that's the part that's attached to the print plate, which is aluminum. And then this is the part that gets built on. See, it's a metal plate, and it's got this top that you print on top of. See how it's come loose? That's it. Here's the finished product after taking off all the various supports. And this is a test version. I'm building this based on a picture that I saw of the roads around Tulsa Station, and so this will be version 1. So I just need to take it out to the layout and see how well it fits.